Welcome. It's that exciting moment of the week again. The new update from 24 Trains TV. As you're used to, we offer a fresh batch every week of new and spectacular videos. But if you're looking to relax, 24 Trains TV is also the perfect place for you. Because now you can enjoy the most beautiful train films anywhere thanks to our app. And all of that for just $4.99 per month. This week, we're starting with atmospheric footage of the Belgian railways. Even in the pre-war years, there was already a constant flow of trains at the busy Antwerp station. With these special images, you get a glimpse of the ballet performed by these smoking steam giants. The landscape of Wales is breathtaking in every season, especially along the narrow gauge railways. It's the perfect destination for fans of hard-working steam locomotives. You'll also find them at the Vale of Rydal. 24 Trains TV takes you on a cab ride from Eberswith to Devil's Bridge. Let yourself be carried uphill by the hard-working steam locomotive as the lush Welsh landscape slowly passes you by. In Germany, you can enjoy narrow-gauge train journeys just as leisurely as in Wales, even though the scenery is completely different. The Presidents-Valley Railway is one of those truly classic German narrow-gauge lines. Yet, this line has a lot of variety to offer, from classic Saxon narrow-gauge trains to rugged Reichstag locomotives. In the forest of Saxony, you can still travel just as people did 100 years ago. Thanks to 24 Trains TV, you can experience it all without ever having to move. In the Austrian mountains, we find the train of the week. The ÖBB Type 2043.5 is a thoroughly Austrian locomotive. This subseries of 4 locomotives differed from the rest of the series by being equipped with a magnetic brake, specially designed for the Erzberg Railway. During a special journey along this Erzberg Railway, we follow 2 of these diesel engines. The black plumes of smoke show just how hard the diesels have to work on these steep sections. Still haven't traveled enough? Then be sure to check out our website to see what else 24 Trains TV subscribers can watch. With more than 5,000 videos, there's something for everyone. And you can also watch non-stop, so you don't have to control anything yourself. You can just enjoy train videos all day long. Next week, we'll be back with new videos. Will we see you again then? Thank you.